Hey guys, I hope you guys are excited to tour Chicago with me because I am, y'all, and stay tuned. So we are in downtown Chicago. We just made a 2-hour tour. We're having a night walking tour. It's gonna be like mob scenes and all that. I'm not too sure about the details, y'all, but of course stay tuned and yeah, come along with me, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
A few things before we get started. We're going to be doing about 1.5 miles of walking today. This tour is going to run around 1.5 hours to 2 hours, probably a little bit closer to that 1.5 hour mark. We're going to be taking a 15-minute break at the Palmer House Hotel. That is going to be about an hour though, so I suggest you pace yourself. We're going to be ending our tour at the Congress Hotel.
So right now we are at Chicago Riverwalk, y'all. It's so pretty out here. Such a beautiful view. Look at the skyscrapers. I love a city with huge skyscrapers. Like, that's just my weakness. So pretty, y'all. As y'all just seen, he just gave us a rundown about how Capone used to be there about every night in this theater. So now we are headed over to something called Death Valley. So stay tuned, guys. guys when we get there. Say hi to my cousin. She's rushing. Hi. Hello. Hi. Yeah, you guys. See you guys when we get there. Still out here in these Chicago streets. Still on the walking tour, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Tomorrow we'll be going on a boat tour, but so far so good. You guys are blessed. We are headed to the boat tour, so I will see you guys when we get there. So now we are getting in the Uber outside of La Quinta. So now we are trying to rush to the boat tour. We're here. We're waiting to, my cousin's so mad, y'all, because we late for the boat tour. She did not come on. We on the way, but I will see you guys when we get on the boat. Oh my gosh, there's so much walking, y'all. We finally made it to the boat tour. We finally made it, y'all. So I'll see you guys when we get on the boats. I'm just over here walking this boat, y'all. So gorgeous, so pretty. Here comes another boat too as well.
The black box you see there, tonight, everywhere.
And I'm so glad it's not too sunny out here. It was really good. It's a beautiful breeze. Not too hot, not too cold.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
That was the end of the boat tour, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So now we're gonna go to a hop-on, hop-off city bus tour, and for about an hour. We do have a graduation to go to around about 6 p.m. So yeah, we're gonna do that for an hour, and then we're gonna finish it off tomorrow because we do have a 2-day city pass, and that was about $60-something or whatever we are. But yeah, you guys stay tuned, and I will see you guys when we get to the bus.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to
But it's
So pretty out here.
It's a nice day. It's a nice day.
We are on the Customer Road. Walking is very busy today. The weekends are very busy. As you guys can see. Headed to the bean. My cousin wants to see the bean so bad. She even talks about the bean.
No, like it's like a staple of Chicago. Like you can't come to Chicago and not see the bean.
Can't go to Chicago and that's the bean. Alright, so the bean we on the way. Okay. It got so hot out here. Y'all know I had to bring out the umbrella. I don't play no games. We had to bring out the umbrella. It's so many people out here. I'm about to flip the camera and show y'all how many people was at the meeting. Like, you can't even get a solo photo. It's crazy. But let me flip it and show you guys. 1 second. This is beef. This is chicken. There's kimchi, which is like fermented cabbage. There's corn and there's radish.
Radish.
That's it. And then there's a like a Korean hot sauce and ginger, like a ginger marinade.
Okay, it's chicken. Alright, veggies I got. Did you like the kimchi? Yeah, that was the kimchi. Yeah. You tasted the radish. Yeah. Like that? And then I got corn.
Corn is good.
Yeah.
What is this right here?
Cucumbers.
Oh, no.
I think that there is a
A little bit of carrots is fine. No. Is it gonna make me? Because I got a long flight.
Yeah,
I ain't trying to be on the tour. I'm okay. I got the special from one of the employees here, so we're gonna see how it tastes. My cousin got hers. She devoured it already.